Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add like customer product reviews to your own Shopify store. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your own Shopify store, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can add customer product reviews to your own Shopify store, just like I did for my Shopify store. I have like multiple Shopify stores. This is just for today's video so that I can show you guys how you can add like products like reviews to your Shopify. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store. Now we are going to download an app that will help us like add like customer product reviews to our Shopify. Now the best thing about the app that I'm going to mention in this video is also if you have if you have products on your Shopify store, it can easily recognize the best reviews for that product. Okay, so it can like use the AI to find real reviews from other e-commerce websites that are exactly related to the product that you have on your Shopify store. Now I'm going to be showing you guys all the features of this app. So just search for Kodos All Reviews. Okay, this is the name of the app. As you can see, it's called All Reviews, Kodos Reviews. And also this app has a free trial. Okay, so free plan, as you can see here. Click on install. Alright, now after guys you click on install, what you guys need to do next is just click again on install, and then after that you want to then select a plan. Okay, they will ask you guys to select a plan. Now there are 4 plans as you can see here. The free one, which is $0 per month, the starter $99, essential 9. Now I'm going to go with essential. It has like 5 days free trial, or you can go with the free plan. Okay, it's up to you guys. I'm going to go with this one with the 19. Okay, $19. I'm going to click on approve. Alright, now we have successfully installed the app. As you can see, everything is set correctly. Now what we are going to do guys, I'm just going to remove this. Okay, and then I will show you guys what you need to do. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to enable app embed. Just click here where it says enable app embed, click on it, and then you want to enable this, okay, inside your Shopify theme. Now here, as you can see here, make sure you enable it, as you can see here guys. Now after you enable, toggle it on, okay, and then click on save. Okay, now after you toggle it on, go back and then click on where it says add review box. Click on add review box. And here, as you can see, this is one of the products I have on my Shopify. Now, as you can see here, guys, it's a Kodos. As you can see, I'm going to click here. Yeah, it's already added. Okay, it's already here. So you can also I'm going to, yeah, you can also add it somewhere else. Like for example, I would say, for example, Kodos review page. Like you can click here and you can put this review box somewhere here if you want. So I have already put it here. Click on save. Okay. Alright, now after guys you click on save, then what you guys need to do, you want to click here, it says import reviews, and as you can see, you can also import reviews from AliExpress and Amazon by adding this Chrome extension, like if that's what you want. Now as you can see here, you will find the list of the products that you have on your Shopify store. Now for example, I want to add the reviews to this to this product. Okay, now if you click here on import reviews, okay, next to the products, and yeah, just give it a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, it will find, as you can see, it says it's suggested by AI. It will find this exact product on e-commerce websites like AliExpress. Like they have already found this from AliExpress. Okay, 135 reviews specifically for this product from AliExpress. Okay, as you can see, this is the product. Now if you can't, like, if you don't want to import product reviews directly from here, you can also, for example, like remove AliExpress. For example, you can remove here reviews with content, or reviews, like if you want to customize this, for example, you don't want to get reviews with pictures, you can do that. Okay, now for example, let's import reviews. Click on import, and if you click, guys, if you click here on import, as you can see, it says importing 0. Now the reviews are, like, as you can see, 10 reviews has been imported successfully. Now if you go to the product page, you will find these reviews. Okay, I'm going to go back to my Shopify, and I'm going to click on products, and this is the product. Okay, now of course it will take a few seconds for the reviews to appear. As you can see, they already appeared, as you can see. Okay, and this is the, as you can see, 44.8 star, which is good. You don't need to add your 5 stars, it will look not professional. You can also add the review by yourself. If you click here on write a review, you can add the review by yourself, and you can name the review or whatever you want. For example, Elisa, and here you can enter here the email address, any email, of course, any email address, it will be accepted. And here you want to enter the feedback you want to add. Okay, and then click on add review. You can also add the pictures. Okay, you can make a lot of, like, there are a lot of advantages of using this app. For example, if you click here on collect reviews, you can also like, as you can see here, guys, I said the dashboard will generate the up-to-date report of review request status for performance reviews. Like, you will find here, like, as you can see, look like you don't have orders for this time period. Okay, so if you click here on manage reviews, you can also manage reviews. You can also change the review if you don't like it. If you click on these 3 little dots, you can click here. Okay, you can also, like, pin the review. If you click, for example, on here, you can, like, publish the review. Just click here on publish, and this review will be published to your own Shopify store. Okay, okay, so I to publish. If you click here on I to publish, it will publish all the reviews to your Shopify store. Now here, show reviews. You can also add different templates if you want a review box, star rating. You can add any, like, template you want. And here the settings and pricing. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So the most important one is to import reviews here. Yeah, that's it. If you want also to add reviews from AliExpress, you can add to Chrome. Click on this import review, click on add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, and make sure you pin the extension in the top. Okay, it's very easy. Just click on this pin button, and then you want to go to AliExpress and find any products, okay, that is similar to the products you have inside your Shopify store. And then after that, you just need to click on the extension. I'm sorry, you want to click here on the products. Just open the product page. Okay, and then after you are on the product page, you want to click on the extension, and it will see the import review button. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's very easy to use. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one. Like I said, I reply to every single comment. Let me know exactly your questions, and yeah, I will answer them. See you guys in the next one. Please drop a like, and see you.